I'm not feeling well today.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I feel very tired today.
I think I have a cold.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to make an appointment.
I'd like to see the doctor today.
I'm here for my appointment.
The doctor will see you soon.
I usually go to the pharmacy first.
The pharmacy is near my house.
The pharmacist can help with small problems.
Sometimes medicine helps quickly.
Rest is often the best medicine.
I try to stay healthy.
I drink plenty of water.
I try to get enough sleep.
I go for walks to stay active.
Fresh air is good for health.
I sometimes take vitamins.
I try to eat healthy food.
Exercise is important for health.
I try to avoid stress.
Health is very important.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Can I see a doctor today?
Do I need an appointment?
Is this medicine strong?
How often should I take it?
I'm not feeling very well today.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
I think I have a cold.
You should get some rest.
Do you need to see a doctor?
Yes, I think so.
Can I make an appointment?
Yes, for this afternoon.
Do you feel better today?
A little bit.
Did you go to the pharmacy?
Yes, I got some medicine.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to stay active.
Are you feeling okay now?
Yes, much better.
Do you get enough sleep?
I try to.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, most days.
Do you like going for walks?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you take medicine often?
Only when necessary.
Did the medicine help?
Yes, quite quickly.
Do you feel tired today?
Yes, a bit.
Do you take care of your health?
Yes, I try to.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.